We all have something to bring to the movement for agroforestry and perennial agriculture here in the Midwest. Whether you're sharing your knowledge and enthusiasm one-on-one through apprenticeships and mentoring, sharing lessons learned to a whole group through a webinar or field day, or sharing your financial resources to create more educational opportunities for farmers and landowners, there is something everyone can do to help. Maybe you're here for the research, or the environment, or maybe you just love trees. We all share a vision of a regenerative landscape filled with healthy farms and deep-rooted, long-lived tree crops. Please help us catalyze agriculture that regenerates our land and communities by generously sharing what you can this season.